Hello, everybody. Hello, perfume community. Today I bring for you this perfume that's called Parade de Nuit. Yes, Parade de Nuit. This perfume is from the house of Geparlys company. This company, as I mentioned before, always bring to us the best perfumes alternative in the market, but this time they bring for us these five perfumes called Les Infinis. I will show you here this collection of the this private collection, as you see here. 1 minute, please. The private collection, as you see here, they came out with the Black Suite, Chic Avenue, Parade de Nuit, Matière Noble, and Saint Honoré. Black Suite remind me of Tom Ford, fucking fabulous, and Chic Avenue remind me of Creed Aventus. Parade de Nuit, when I spray this perfume, I remember Prada l'homme, the version of eau de toilette. Matière Noble remind me of Sospiro Erba Pura, and a little bit scent of vanilla, and Saint Honoré remind me of Bois d'Argent, of the house of Dior. Okay, Parade de Nuit, this perfume, as I say, when you, I will show you the bottle on the first. This bottle come with this serial number. When you find it, it's original. 1089A22/22. You will see here, I think, in the bottom, no, in the front side. Where is it? Where is it? In the back side, I think. Yes, in the back side. Here, 1089A22. This perfume, as you see here, from the house of Geparlys. Here is the Parade de Nuit Les Infinis, some information about the perfume, how you store it. In the front side, you will notice Parade de Nuit Les Infinis perfume d'exception of the perfume. Yes, the concentration is in the perfume, and it came on 100 ml, only in 100 ml. And this is the back side. Here we notice this logo. When you find it, just buy it. Sorry, yeah, just buy it. Here's some information also. This side we have nothing, this side nothing. Yes, as you see here. Guys and girls, all the perfumes community, this perfume is alternative for Prada l'homme eau de toilette. Here, as you see the cap, we see the logo, well mentioned here. The cap is a little bit heavier, and you see, magnetic. Yeah, I will show you the sprayer also. See with me. Wow, it's good. It's best. It's the best one in the market. Just buy it. It's a deal, believe me. When you spray this one, wow, this one is belong to the line of aromatic, spicy, ambre, gourmand perfumes. In the top of the notes, you will notice the cardamom, coffee, cannel, bergamot, and in the middle of the perfume, after after 15 minutes or 20 minutes you will notice the praline, patchouli, noix de muscade, bois de cèdre, and in the base we will notice the tonka, amber, musk, and vanilla. The tonka gives to this perfume a little bit of sweetie, and the amber and the musk give to this perfume an elegant, and the vanilla, يعني, as I said before, just buy it. This is a masterpiece. I have some memories with this perfume. I notice that when I do maybe 3 to 4 sprays in my jacket, and I wear that jacket, when I place it in my store after one mount, when I came to wear it, I noticed that the perfume is still there. Wow, yes, after one mouth it's still there. This is a long longevity, and the sillage is very good. Everybody, you will notice you when you walking 3 meters, 4 meters from them, they will notice this perfume, and it's a big deal regarding to the price and the quality. Just buy it. This perfume can be worn by men and women. It's unisex. Yes, it's unisex. Thank you for being with us today. I reviewing with you this perfume, and I will do for you the review of the other 5 in the future. Stay tuned. Just subscribe, and if you have some questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I will reply to your questions. Bye. See you later.